Okay, guys, check out this house.
Look at the car. Do you see the
Look
car?
at the car. It's getting like under the...
Oh no, it's already underwater.
It's already underwater a lot, you guys. Look at this. This is... I told you this morning it was raining. You guys didn't believe me. I showed you a little bit of rain. Check out, there's another house over here. It's like extremely flooded. Check this out. Look at this. Look at this house, you guys. It's like under the water, pretty much. Man. You guys, look. It's like a random lake that was never there before. Check out, guys. It's been raining, like I told you in my last video, a lot. Some of the houses back there were flooded. I want to see if I can record them later, but yeah.
I said we're gonna start.
Sorry, this is like, look at this house, you guys. This is really bad right here. One of the houses was almost floating over the house.